Gießen, Germany, a nerve centre of our global circular economy ecosystem. Remanufacturing, servicing, repairing, and more. Guided by our Kaiose philosophy of living and working together for the common good, gave rise to our 4 sustainability pillars: responsible manufacturing, logical logistics, products in action, end of life, and beyond. It's at Gießen that some of our Image Runner Advance multifunction printers from across Europe undergo a meticulous process to become the ES range of remanufactured devices. They're completely stripped down, rebuilt, and emerge like new, with upgraded parts and firmware. They reuse at least 90% of the original parts, cutting lifetime emissions and giving the device a new lease of life. We also create our refurbished CU series here, as well as across Europe in certified Canon refurbishment centres, delivering thoroughly tested used devices. As we celebrate Gießen's 50th year, we're set to help even more businesses navigate towards a more sustainable future and add to the circular economy. We're constantly seeking new ways to reduce our impact on the planet, always progressing, always striving to be the best. So by working with us, you'll progress too.